Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something different. We're gonna take out the pink stuff and apply it to these very dirty Air Force1's. These have been places and it shows. It's time to get these ones cleaned, and I haven't tried the pink stuff before on anything. I've seen it on other channels and I bought it when I saw it in the shop, but I never even used this like for cleaning or anything. This is for kitchen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a layer all over these shoes and leave it on for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and then scrub it off and see if I can get these back to white again. So wish me luck! Hey, new to this channel, my name is Charlotta, and usually I post a lot of like painting tutorials and crafting videos and whatnot, paper mache and all sorts of creative things. So today we're gonna do something completely different and see if we can clean these Air Force1's. So I still had the box left in my closet and it had a bag with spare laces inside. So I'm gonna change the laces and put clean ones on after I've scrubbed them. So why don't we start with removing the old laces and go from there.
Now remember, this is video. You can speed me up, calm me down, and turn me off. That's my husband's favorite line. Anytime you want to.
Okay, so let's open this up. Take some of the pink stuff.
I have a pure, I love a sponge that is absolutely pure.
And apply it all over the shoe surface.
Now, if you do get it on your hands, gloves are incredible.
Okay, so I covered most of the shoe and now I'm gonna leave this on for, let's see, 10 minutes and then we scrub it off after. 7:30, so 7:40 we're gonna wash this off. So the pink stuff, the Miracle Cleaning Paste, it's tough on stains. It's 99% natural ingredients. It's environmentally non-toxic, not tested on animals. It says the pink stuff cleaning paste is tough on saucepans, cooker tops, sinks, barbecues, glass, showers, garden, furniture, paintwork, boats, brass, rust. It's saying that you can use it for a lot of different things. Apply using a soft cloth or sponge. Rub gently before rinsing off with clean water. Polish with a clean, dry cloth. Actually, it smells quite nice. It's like quite thick, soft. So this paste was like £1.50 or something like that, like super cheap, 500 grams. And you can use it for a lot of things. So if it actually works, let's check in a minute, then it's definitely worth getting this. You can use it in the bathroom, you can use it in the kitchen, you can use it for cleaning so many things. So yeah, let's grab a wipe and see if this stuff actually works. Okay, let me put the camera down here. Now let's scrub. Oh, it's actually looking better already, even before I scrubbed it. Now these wet wipes have a little bit of soap in them as well, so should come off nicely.
I squeezed and squeezed and squeezed and squeezed. No flab on this arm for my cleaning. Flab on this arm.
Oh, this is looking lovely. I don't know if you see it on camera. It's actually looking amazing. Wow!
Oh my gosh.
Check that out. I am super impressed. I didn't think this dirt would come off. What? This is crazy. Look, look, look. Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. These are gonna be shining. I'm not sure how much that shows on camera, but the dirt is literally just wiping off. I didn't believe it would work this well because it's 99% natural ingredients. There's no toxic stuff in this. No chemicals or stuff like that. So if I put it this way so you can see it. It's literally just coming off. Even the stitches are becoming cleaner and whiter again. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And I wouldn't be too worried about this damaging the shoe either because it's non-toxic. So it's totally fine to use this on shoes. Well, I am well pleased. Now let's put on the laces and we're good to go. So the conclusion is I definitely recommend the pink stuff for cleaning your Air Force1's. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Stay tuned. Ha det bra. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Pardon me. Oh, I just get so into it.